friends, welcome back to my channel AY Study and Crafts. Please subscribe to my channel and like, share every video, and every video will be interesting. So now today we are going to discuss about types of forces. These types of forces are from class 8 of chapter 11. Okay, this is from the chapter 11, force and the pressure. Okay, this is from the chapter 11, force and the pressure. What are the types of forces we are going to learn? Here you can see from here 11.6 contact forces. So there are two types of forces. Those are contact forces and there are non-contact forces. Okay, there are some types even in contact and non-contact forces. First, let us see contact forces. What are contact forces? The forces that act only when the objects are in contact with each other. These are the forces will act only when they are contact with each other. These are known as contact forces. So we have two types of contact forces. Those are muscular force and then we have frictional force. Okay. First let us see what is muscular force. Muscular force, the force resulting due to the action of the muscles. Okay. Here this force will use by the help of muscles. Okay. Here you can see help of a stick or a piece of rope. When you push an object like a school bag or lift a bucket of water, where does the force come from? This force caused by the action of muscles in our body. The force resulting due to the action of the muscles is known as the muscular force. Okay, this is known as a muscular force. Okay, here in figure 11.9 you can see here muscular force of animals is used to carry out many difficult tasks. Okay, this is known as muscular force. Here another force we have, that is frictional force. Frictional force also we have. Now let us see what is a frictional force. Frictional force is a force acting along the two surfaces. The motion of the object over the other is called the force of the friction. Here some experiences a ball rolling along the ground gradually. It slows down and finally comes to the rest. When we stop pedaling a bicycle, it gradually slows down and finally comes to stop. Okay, then here a car and a scooter also comes to rest, but once its engine is only switched off. Similarly, a boat comes to the rest if we stop rowing it. Can you add some more such experiences? Okay, in all these situations, no force appears to be acting on the objects. Yet, their speed gradually decreases and they come to the rest after some time. See, here is a ball, here is a surface. This ball is rolling and stops somewhere. Here it stops. Why? Because it's of the friction. Okay, it's of the friction. This is known as frictional force. Okay, there are two types of contact forces. Those are muscular and frictional force. Next, let us go to non-contact forces. Okay, in non-contact forces, we have three types of forces. Those are magnetic force. Here we have magnetic force, electrostatic force, and gravitational force. Okay, first let us discuss about what is non-contact forces. Non-contact forces are the forces that act on even when the objects are not in contact with each other and bring about the changes which are known as non-contact forces. These forces will not be contact with each other, will not interact with each other, but it will work. How? Let us see. So in this we have three types of forces. Those are magnetic force, gravitational force, and electrostatic force. First let us see what is magnetic force. Here there is an activity. Take a pair of bar magnets. Place the longer side of one of the magnets over three round shaped pencils or wooden rollers as shown in figure 11.10. Now bring one end of the other magnet near the end of the magnet placed on the rollers. Make sure that the two magnets do not touch each other. Observe what happens. Next, bring the other end of the magnet near the same end of the magnet. Place the rollers. Note what happens to the magnet. The place of the rollers every time another magnet is brought near it. Here there are some magnets. Here are two magnets. Here there are pencils. So you keep some of the pencils and up of it you keep a magnet. Here when you keep another side of the magnet, okay, when you keep another side of the magnet, it comes down, it drags like this. The pencils will be rolling, rolling. This is known as magnetic force. Okay, next here, next one we have is electrostatic force. First let us see what is an electrostatic force. Electrostatic is a force that extracted by a charged object or not charged object is known as electrostatic force. Okay, let's recall an activity. Okay, when you comb your hair, and put it in some pieces of paper, the comb attracts to the paper and sticks to the comb. Okay, the paper attracts and sticks to the comb, but we do not touch to the paper. Okay, it just attracts it. We do not place it any gum or there is no magnet in it, so it goes up directly. This is known as electrostatic force. Okay, next one let us see gravitational force. Here we know that what is a gravitation. Gravitation means we the earth is the here can you see the earth is in a sphere but the road is straight. With what? With only with gravitational force. This is known as gravitational force. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you and have a great day. And don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe to my channel.